gosh, that was a good trout. Good fish. Thank you, buddy. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be doing some trout fishing today. I went to the Kern River yesterday, or 2 days ago. I lost probably the biggest trout, river trout, I have ever hooked into. It broke me off. So, out of frustration, we're going for some small trout, some little guys. That's the plan. I got something pretty cool. So this is my Echo Lift. You've seen this before. I use this normally at this stream, but I picked up this Echo Carbon XL, which is a 2-weight rod. It is 7 feet 3 inches compared to my 8-foot rod, so it's about 7 inches. No, this one is 9 inches smaller than this one, so that's cool. Same reel. This is normally $100, I think. Just an Echo base 4.5. I got this one used for 20 bucks. The rod is about 200. So, yeah. I was like, what's the cheapest reel you got that will sort of kind of fit this profile? On my 4-weight, I have a dry dropper setup, kind of like just a smaller pheasant tail-esque gray body with a bead. The dry, I'm working with just this little like bee wasp pattern. It's something smaller, and it's not huge, but it will keep that fly beneath the float. And then this is just my dry fly setup. I have a little blue wing olive pattern, probably size 18. Sizes are pretty small on this creek, trout wise. So here's my fly selection for the day. I have like a little mosquito pattern, hare's ear, caddis, zebra midge, obviously, olive, pupa type, just a bunch of really small things. Should be fun. Let's get after it. This looks awesome. I'm gonna fish all these pools and then just keep working my way. Alrighty, here we are. This is just my first little spot I'm gonna try. I'm gonna make my way up to those pools, but I saw fish rising down here and I wanted to just give it a shot. Got him. Oh no, he came off. What a guy. Dang. Missed him. Fish right there. Okay. There we go. Took a while. Well, finally got one. Nice. Little creek trout. Beautiful little trout. Nice. First little guy of the day on my 2-weight fly rod. They get a little bigger than that. They definitely get a lot smaller too. I'm happy with that size. Okay, there's more fish rising further up. Got a little small guy on a little dry dropper. Took the bottom fly. Take a look at this little guy. Come on, buddy. Ooh, nice colors. Alright, there you go. Be free. Nice. There we go. Got one. this guy has nice colors on him. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Look at that. Beautiful little guy. Okay, let's move forward just a smidge. It looks pretty deep right here. Oh, yep, and a fish just rose right there in that foam line. I should be able to get a fish here, either on this dry or on my dropper. The question is, will I be able to get a good enough cast? Oh, he just went for that. He went for the dry. He missed it. That was a little guy. Oh my gosh, that was a good trout. I missed him. Okay. There's a good guy in here. Fully came up out of the water and missed it. He's rejecting it for whatever reason. Let me take a look. Weird. Okay, I'm gonna change flies and see if we can get this guy to bite. I'll throw on a Caddis. Before I throw the Caddis, I kind of have this like mosquito pattern-esque type of deal. Let's see if he bites this. It's a little big, but who knows? It might work. He might go for it. It's so much easier to see though, that's for sure. The big guy didn't want it, but this guy did. And he came off. Okay, cool. Quick release. I just hope that little guy didn't spook the whole entire hole. Okay, he's up there. I see him. Not the big guy, but one of them. One of the fish in that hole. Oh, dude. This guy has the best colors I've seen on the fish all day. This guy's a beauty. Okay, let's get a good look at this guy. Wow. I'm gonna tie on something a little different. I'm hoping this larger, there we go. Just like that, first cast. Got him. This is a little better size than the one I just had. Oh, fly's already out, cool. Quick look at this guy and let him go. Beautiful. Oh, there's still more rising right there. Let's get another. Little guy. Still on? Yep, he's still on. Oh, thank you, sir. Nice, great fly. I think there's one more guy a little further upstream, but I might have gotten this hole. Basically, oh no, there's one more. One more little guy right there. Right in the foam line. Oh, oh my gosh, that was the big one right there. Little small guy came up and rejected it, and that guy just swiped at it and nothing. Okay, let's try a dry dropper. There's a good size trout there. There's also a lot of small ones. There he is. Got the big one. Dude, this is a nice trout. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh yeah, dude. That is exactly who I was targeting this entire time for this. Oh man. Cool. Okay, let's get a little rough estimate. Just about a little over 9 inches. Really good fish. Nice. Okay, let's let him go. Nice. And here's what he took. Just a little bead with some wire. Have a split shot 6 inch or 12 inches before that. And a little dry fly as my indicator. Boom. Thank you, Lord. Good stuff. Fun. I have no idea if there's any more of that size in here, but I will try and see if I can get any more. That was a really good hole. Got some good trout out of that. Or not really, well, one good one. A bunch of little small guys. What I'm interested in is finding something similar. Oh, there's one other hole I really wanted to fish, and those guys with the spinning rods came in and set up camp, which is all good. I'll just have to come back another day. Days are gonna get warmer here coming up. Snakes are gonna come out. This is a good flow, actually. It's a much quicker flow than I was expecting. I'll take a look, see what there is to see. That hole though was kind of pristine, just a foam line and a deep hole. Maybe I might be able to get my dry dropper in that run right there. Give it a shot, why not? Got nothing to lose except a fly. It's gonna be roll casting and not doing this. Oh no, it's kind of hard to fish. Crazy overcast. Like, look at my window. I have overhang, snag to my right, snag to my left, snag behind me. My only option, besides using a spinning rod, oh jeez, look at this, is to roll cast. That's gonna break. All right, I'm going to go retrieve that and not try to break it off. Nice, got a nice little guy. He's right here up in this riffle. These colors are a little different. Just a little bit more hard to see. Good fish. Thank you, buddy. Caught him right there in that riffle. fish. Come on. Here. There we go. I knew there had to be a fish. Little guy. Oh, dude, look at this. Look at that guy. Beauty. Awesome little guy. See if we can get his little friend to eat. Ooh. Thank you, little buddy. Come on. He felt a lot bigger. For a little bit. Thanks, buddy. I think I'll call it a day. Oh, never mind. Nope, not calling it a day. I just saw a fish rise down over there. Look at that. Do you see that? Dude went airborne. Okay, the only really difficult thing about this approach is that I am setting up stream. Like, I am pulling the hook, what's generally known as out of his mouth when I go to set. You know what? I'm gonna take a different approach for this guy. Bear with me. I'm gonna go back that way, up, around, and down behind him. That's gonna be about it for me today, guys. This little guy wasn't one to eat as soon as I came over. He went airborne. He ate, went airborne, and then I came over and nothing. I probably spooked him, and that's all good. I had a great day nonetheless, but yeah, that'll be just about it for me. I know these trout fishing videos don't generally get as much views on average compared to my surf fishing videos. I've had a couple pretty good trout fishing videos come out, but generally just I do more surf stuff. However, I grew up trout fishing, and fishing in general is my passion, but fly fishing has a very special place in my heart. It's an art form and a sport that I love dearly, and I just want to get better and better at it. So very thankful for days like today where I'm able to come out and enjoy God's creation and just really have some alone time and spend some time on the water. That's just one of the better things that I can look forward to on my days off. So of course, if you want to know any of the gear that I've used, go ahead and check out the description down below. And if you want to see anything that I'm doing in the future, consider subscribing so you stay notified and see whenever I upload a new video. But generally, if you're new to the channel, it's every 2 weeks for me. Every 2 weeks I'll upload a video just because of work and all that. So just this morning we got up to 700 subscribers, so I'm super stoked about that, you know. So thanks everyone once again. God bless. Thanks to everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Days are gonna get warmer here coming up. Snakes are gonna come out. Snakes are gonna come out. Yeah.